Kathan rilum garu kabaru na gajing songs ir na kadaw gajing kanray ki kampentrium jogi sengle no menta kan haban mat sai gajing kulumar na kadaw jong gajing efer jing mut happening ki garu bergi nong asam ki basyong basa khapur ka jalami galia pada asam kani gajing kulumar kalathau tang na gajing jajing syara bor weu hespa ubala tip kerteng kumu Abdul Manan uba prapos nem karta badukun ksiu jungu banang khat as nem karta hadin belalap ya kemet yap jungu ya ukun ksiu jungu 4 lap hadu menta namar udang dan hak ti ginong rabor namar lai thuru dagi pulet baki nong rabor kila dawa nagi bahaya ngasem bakin siu hadu shiklur tingka ban penlat ukun ksiu jungu dak ba berngemru balar kem siu engat hak ju ka pot halor kani ki pulet kami galia kila pulong ya gajing khnra ka bajur bha hari lom garu bar haki khaput bar ka asam yau te uhespa lara abor na do step life hotrek ha ka poshi phobjim stem nakathan ampati Henry Yakamet Yap Jungu lalap hak live huitrik na jan kasnong Damal Gri Southwest Garo Hills. Tang hadin katu ani por balabna halo katagi jingja, kawi kasnong kabaran hapok haput migalia pada sam kabatip kum kaman kacar, kelas dang ban kiwin hak kabaklami bun ki jingja. Henry nak jing tresi tom jungi bor penyat district lala ban temno badru bakila ban yakendu bad ki Boston Shire district jong kadhubri kabak kaman kacar kan haban yakran sani bha halor katege kam hakaban nakleng ki armamla kila a ke jingkular ban a jingedai ki bri ki basa ha ki jaka hadu menta ya kabala penmi yakni ka kubor ki pulet kempatla ban yok sa ya ka jaka ka ba uteu khna ulah syara bor
nam president of Kalughat Manpata kidnapped on 30th while he was going to his cashew nut cultivation at Kumlingaon under Ampati police station. Then yesterday his dead body was found in Garo Hills. And his body was brought to his home. And people got a bit agitated. Police, Garo Hills police is not cooperating. That's all the things.
Okay. The purpose of the meeting was to improve coordination with our counterparts in Assam and basically work out a strategy so that we can tackle the situation and increase confidence in the people on both sides. So that one is that we'd strengthened the presence of forces on the border and that we would because this is the border area, we both sides of both forces have to come together because a lot of the crimes that are taking place are inter-border crimes and it is important that we coordinate better to kind of tackle this situation. So basically to improve coordination between both the forces. Okay. We've asked for additional forces also, and additional forces are coming, and we are prepared. I feel we are in control of the situation, so there is nothing to feel. We are confident that we'll be able to control the situation. The other thing is that it's very important that we impress upon the people that these are probably mixed gangs of people and a situation has happened where a child has been abducted and a whole person has been abducted. So we are going to try our best to kind of recover the people and there might be certain issues between both parties that need to be ironed out so that we can operate better and more efficiently. So it is a sort of strategic meeting to kind of understand strategies of catching these criminals. And it is obviously an mixed and inter-border community because gang, which is actually because people are coming from say Mankachar, so someone is giving information from Mankachar about their movements in Meghalaya, and probably something is happening this side. So it's obvious that these are mixed gangs, and that's why we wanted to impress that upon our counterparts, and I think that's been taken